To learn about a supplier or maybe it's vendor. Where we can find it? We can find this left side. If we click expenses, you can see this supplier sites. If you be suppliers, we can see there's our suppliers. If you want to import suppliers or maybe add suppliers, and now we try to create new vendors or maybe suppliers. So we can choose also expenses site, and you can see it's vendors. If you click vendors, you can see our vendors, about all vendors. Also, you can search about your vendors, and you can see vendors purchase order, overdue, open bills, and pay last 30 days. And you can see your about your all vendors, vendor names, company names, phone names, email, and tracking. It is about tax, bills, overdue balance, bill pay age info, also actions. So if you some checked and maybe is edit your about vendors, you just select someone and click your in vendors and edit it. If you don't want to edit someone's, everything is okay, and you should create new ones. You can create here also expenses and vendors aside, a new vendor. You can add new vendors. Also, you can add this create site, and left side is create and is there. We add there's new vendor. We add new vendor. So you can add information about your vendors: company name, vendor display name, title, first name, middle name, last name, email, phone number, or maybe mobile number, fax, other information, website, and address. This is about is its business address. Maybe it's use his own address, home address maybe. Also, you can add a notes attachment, some notes about attachment, a bill pay, AC, age info, bank account number, random number. Also, you can add additional information, so about taxes and expenses rate, maybe payments, accounting type. You can choose accounting type is where is that, for example, job expenses, or maybe it's bank charges, and so on. Also, you can add some opening balance, how much is. Also, you can add uh, data, and then you should save it. And when save it, you can see your vendor in there. So some information about your vendor. For example, if you click there, you can see all information: company name, billing address, and if you wish, you can add some notes, and billing all transaction list about him, vendor details. You can see his mobile number, phone number, email, and website. Also, you can add attachment and change maybe it's additional information. Also, notes, you can add notes. You can see balance, open balance, and overdue payment. Add or edit your about vendors.